Hey guys, I'm sorry for being offline for so long, but now I'm back and I'm sorry about that, and I love you guys. That I didn't make videos doesn't mean that I don't like you guys. It's just because about school stuff, there are a lot of homework that I need to manage, and they're giving me a major headache, and I have a lot of family stuff as well. So I'm sorry. That doesn't mean that I don't like you guys, but I just don't have enough time to make these YouTube videos. And secondly, I don't really like gaming. So if you want me to game, just give me some comments and I will do some more gaming videos if you like, guys. But I'm not the best at gaming, you know me. So yeah. So today why I'm making this video is that because my friend is an expert in Rubik's Cube right now. He's obsessed into it, and yeah, I thought he's pretty cool, so I want to make a video of him playing Rubik's Cube. So hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let's see if you want some more Rubik's Cube videos that he's saying, because he's buying more and he's playing more. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you later.
Here we go!
This is Joshua here. I have my new Rubik's Cubes, and this is the biggest one. It's a 12 by 12. So I'm not sure how it costs, but it's from Zenj or so, and I think it's really good. So I think at the end, this is my 5 by 5 Mega Minx, 7 by 7 Mega Minx. This is a 7 by 7. This is a 9 by 9. Okay, I'm gonna be doing this. Okay, first I'm gonna do all of these cubes. Okay, starting with the 2 by 2. So done it.
Help me find a way, help me find a way to the promised land. This lonely body needs a helping hand. I ask the Lord to help me, please find a way. When the new day is dawning, about my head in prayer, I pray to the Lord. Won't you lead me there? Won't you guide me safely to the golden stairs? Won't you let this body your burden share? I pray to the Lord. Won't you lead me, please lead me there? the judgment comes, find the world in shame. When the trumpet blows, won't you call my name? When the thunder rolls and the heavens rain, when the sun turns black, never shine again. Never shine again. When the trumpet blows, won't you call me please? Call my name.
As you can see, he have just solved some Rubik's Cube, and like he had got a lot of them, I would say, to be honest. So like, yeah, he's awesome, and if you want to see more of his videos, he will surely make some more. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and hope you enjoy this video. Like and subscribe, and subscribe to my friends as well, Max and all the other A1B Studio pals. So like, yeah, and we'll be making some more music videos afterwards, because we like to play music. I'm the type which like music, so if you want to see our music video, we might consider making a new channel for our music videos. Yeah, so see you guys and have a good day.